Listen up, guys. We got a special episode of the Garage Series tonight. We got 12 hours to swap this engine out for that engine over there. The Dirty Dyna's going up. She's getting traded in. Jared's gonna be bringing home a 1990 Softail Heritage. So we have 12 hours to do this. So we're doing it tonight. Last one is actually coming out. Happy moment.
Don't speak too soon.
It's out. It's out.
That is disgusting. Alright, see. Should I give him the bags, no? Nah, bags are stained. They probably won't go on the Softail, but oh, that's all I had to do was. Somebody?
We got one little bolt in there. It's our last bolt holding on our primary. She's giving us a tough time, so we don't deal with tough time bolts lightly. You don't go, you won't know. Check out 2 Lane Life.
Doing charity work over here.
I'm plugging 2 Lane Life. He sent me a really nice card and sticker with my shirt. $20, $25.
Yeah. Pay me, bro? Oh, man. You got a soldering gun, Tom? Oh, God, I don't like this one.
Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you know?
Oh, yeah?
There she is.
Are you sure, Gabe?
Yeah. You're gonna have to readjust the swivel.
Okay, I'm putting the trays on. What am I hitting?
Ready?
You gotta pick up. Oh yeah, baby.
You got it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Solid 110 cube. What's pissing on my foot? Gasoline. Nice. Hollow frame. Now you pick up. Go down a little bit. Up. There's one. Home sweet home, baby. Little dabber of red. Just a little bit. Just a little bit there, guys. Just a little bit. 68% of the time, it works every time.
Take 2, ignition coil properly wired.
Choke out.
Start it. Yeah.
To say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Exactly how a horse sounds going down the road.
Exactly how an Evo should sound. A trusty steed.
So it gets that quick hippity.
This isn't a how-to video, but remember, always make sure you put the pickup in the right way. That's why I wouldn't start before.
Oh, that's why they say it's for twin cam use only. Says who?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Listen guys, if you like this, we got tons of projects coming this winter. We got new bikes coming in. So go ahead and give us a like, give us a subscribe. The more you guys help us out, the more we'll be able to do. See you on the next one.